Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on the human digestive system, which was taken from the 2013 DBE Exemplar exam. So let's jump in. Study the diagram which shows the human digestive system. Okay, so here's our human and here's our digestive system, and there are various labels to each structure. First question says label parts A, C, E, and H. So let's go to A. A is pointing to this structure. That structure takes food from the mouth down into this structure here. So A is the esophagus. So A, esophagus. Question label C. C is pointing to the structure here. That is our pancreas. Pancreas. The next one, E. E is pointing to this region here, which is after the large intestine, and that is your rectum. And the last one, H. H is pointing to this really big organ over here, and that is your liver. Let's just run through the rest of the labels as well, just so that you have them. B is our stomach. Stomach, it's where the esophagus will join to, and food will go from the mouth to the stomach. D is our small intestine. Intestine. So from the stomach through to the small intestine, from the small intestine into this large structure here, that is our large intestine. Large intestine. Okay. Question 2.1.2, write the letter only of the part that stores bile. What stores bile? That is our unlabeled structure over here, which is our gallbladder. So that will be G, gallbladder. Let's just label it here as well. Gallbladder. Okay. Next one, where chemical digestion of proteins begins. The chemical digestion of proteins begins in the stomach, which is at structure B. And where most water and mineral salts are absorbed, most water and mineral salts are absorbed in this structure here, which, as we said, is the large intestine. So that is label F. And that'll give you a full 7 marks. Before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or you can check out our website for more epic videos. Just a shout out to our sponsor. You can find all of their details and ours down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.